Want influencers to promote your product? Helium 10 shows you exactly who to contact. I'm going to be showing you it in today's video. You can see right here that there are Amazon influencers that are willing to promote your product. And yes, they will make you more money, right? So here's an example. They just create like a little video about how the product works. And they usually get the product for free. You can see right here at the bottom, it says earns commissions. And you can see he's making tons of videos about vacuums, TVs, different types of things. Here's a supplement one where he probably made a significant amount of money. Ring light, a lot of different things. But anyway, there's a tool, there's a link in the description. It's called Helium 10. You can get a free trial. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to Helium 10. They've got this new tool called Influencer Finder. And again, you're only going to want to have people with emails, because how the heck else are you going to contact them? So turn on emails. Yes. Now you're going to put your product category. Okay. So let's say we're selling automotive. And then we're going to click search, apply filters. You can also input an ASIN up here. But what this is going to do, it's going to show us people who are influencers who have an email in the automotive category. You can see the influencers product categories that they usually promote. So we've got their emails right here, and it's going to show us how much sales they're making, or they help make. Okay, parent level. Okay, average ASIN revenue, $187,000. Are they making sales for people? Yes. Are they earning commission? Yes. How much commission are they earning? I'm not 100% sure, but they are making a significant amount of money. And I'm pretty sure Amazon might be the one that's paying them the commission, not you. So very, very awesome, right? And we can check out her videos as well. She does a lot of videos, and she's doing...
I just wanted to show you this adjustable.
So they've got this product right here, and they're showing how it works. Again, we can just see how much sales they're generating from this video. So this is a adjustable trailer hitch. I don't think it's generating a ton of sales, but let's just see. I got two different extensions, right? It's around 2,000 to 3,000 a month. Not bad. So again, they're sending this to them for free, the family, and in return, they're making a video, a how-to video. This how-to video shows up on product pages and then pretty much can help you skyrocket sales, especially if you have other items. If your item's small and cheap, this is going to be a really good method just to get your items seen on Amazon. I recommend to do at least 10 to 20 and kind of go from there and see if it helps spike sales at all, because it will, especially while we get towards the holiday season. You can see how many videos she's doing. So what you can do again is just bookmark, or you can add to your list. So you can make your own list. So right now I have an automotive list, and I can just add to the list, add to my list, and then I can go to my lists, view my list, and then I can export this, and I can contact each one of them. It's got their email. So I can send a mass email. Hey, I saw you're an Amazon influencer. I'd love to send you a free product in the automotive category. Here it is. If I sent it to you, would you promote it? Things like that. So something basic and sweet. And then what they're going to do is make the videos for you, because they want to make videos. And especially you can see how well these videos are, how many videos they're doing. And then they're willing to promote those. So that's another great opportunity. So let's go back down to let me go back to the Influencer Finder. Let's try a different category. I want to see the baby category, because I feel like a lot of moms are going to be making videos in this category. And I feel like if you do sell baby products, they're probably making a significant amount of money. Let me see how much money they can make. Okay, average 300,000. Okay, so a different one. Okay, let me see how many videos. If we can do photos posted, average video length, top creator badge. I don't know what top creator badge even means. Okay, so this dude's got a top creator badge. Oh, he's got so many videos posted. She's got mechanically. This one's got so many reviews. Mechanically shorts. Let's see who's got the most posts. 10,000 posts. I want to see if they're making a lot of money. Okay, so this one, Tools Electro DIY. 10,000 posts. This is insane. under a top creator. Okay, so I kind of filtered it to the best of the best. And they do have their email on here, and it kind of filters that for you right here. So you can contact them. This is probably going to be the best bang for your buck because they know what they're doing. They've done so many posts. Let's see.
I'm going to show you how to build only recliner workstation with a laptop on it. And you can work.
He actually builds this, makes an awesome video. Like, so this dude he's in it for the money. He's trying to make some good videos in order to make a solid amount of sales.
Set up.
He probably has so much stuff. He's like, I don't know what to do. A lot of opportunity here. So definitely check it out, right? Again, Helium 10, there's a free trial in the comments. So that's it. Try out at least 10 to 20 influencers. Will it make a difference? Most likely it will, especially as we get towards the holiday season. And if you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon management service. This is where we're going to come in. We're going to go into your Amazon account. Our whole design team is going to optimize your listings, help increase your click-through rate, your conversion rate, manage your customer service, your advertising, calling Amazon for you, fixing problems, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of your service is that way you can focus on your business. We're going to be the ones that are helping you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.